The works in the barangay is easy. All of us could be a barangay chairman and or councilman. My ideology is alphabetical and or one by one to sit in the barangay. Remember, we are all ousted from paradise. All of us are liars. No re-election in this coming